Welcome to the Bike Zone. Today we're diving into the 2025 Kawasaki KX450X, Kawasaki's latest weapon for off-road dominance. Designed for cross-country racing, the new KX450X brings performance, technology, and durability to the trail. Let's break down what makes this bike a must-have for serious riders. Engine and performance. At the heart of the KX450X is a 449cc liquid-cooled four-stroke engine delivering impressive power across the rev range. Kawasaki has fine-tuned the fuel injection and ignition mapping to enhance throttle response, ensuring riders get maximum control in tough terrain. Paired with a 5-speed transmission, this bike is built for both speed and technical sections. Chassis and suspension. The 2025 model features an updated aluminum perimeter frame offering improved handling and stability. Showa suspension components provide exceptional damping, with a 49-inch coil spring fork up front and a unitrack rear shock, both fully adjustable for different riding conditions. Whether tackling rocks, roots, or high-speed sections, the KX450X delivers smooth and controlled performance. Braking and wheels. Stopping power is crucial, and Kawasaki equips the KX450X with a powerful Nissan braking system. A 270 min front disc and a 240 min rear disc provide confidence in stopping performance. The 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels wrapped in Dunlop Geomax tires ensure optimal grip on various surfaces. Electronics and features. Kawasaki has stepped up its game with modern electronics, including selectable riding modes and smartphone connectivity through the Rideology app. Riders can adjust engine mapping on the fly, fine-tuning power delivery to match terrain conditions. A launch control system also gives racers an edge off the start line. Final thoughts. The 2025 Kawasaki KX450X is a race-ready machine designed for those who demand top-tier performance. With a powerful engine, advanced suspension, and modern electronics, it's a serious contender in the off-road world. Whether you're racing or hitting the trails, this bike is built to dominate. Stay tuned to the Bike Zone for more reviews, and let us know in the comments. Would you take the 2025 KX450X out for a ride? See you in the next one.